morning everyone. I am Dr. Sharmilee Pratap from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I have completed my PhD in Chemical Engineering from Curtin University, Australia. After completing my PhD, I came back to India to my rural town in Kolhapur. Kolhapur is basically the agriculture hub of Western Maharashtra, and sugarcane is the major producer of Kolhapur district. So I started understanding the agriculture scenario in and around Kolhapur. With the sugarcane farmers, I started interacting, and then I understood that there are some major flaws which needs to be identified, because Kolhapur is the jaggery capital of India. I mean, majority of the farmers are into jaggery production, but they were not having any standardized process for jaggery or good market reach for their jaggery product, and that is why they were shifting to sugar industries instead of maintaining the same cottage industry. That is where we decided to work on a startup, PureMe Organics, where we are working on creating an sustainable ecosystem for jaggery farming, jaggery production, and the market reach for the jaggery. And we are working on this startup in association with the rural farmers who are associated with us through our non-profit organization. Now, our startup was selected for cohort 4 program under RKVY-RAFTAAR at Manage, Hyderabad. We undergone training of like 2 to 3 months. The training was really good for young entrepreneurs like us. This training was really needed. We understood, like, starting from how to write your project to how to apply for the funds, how you can get the technology which is already developed by someone. So we got all the help by the Manage, and we are happy now that we are grantee of cohort 4 program. With this grant, we are going to connect with more number of farmers so that they can get benefit from the jaggery farming, as well as we are going to reach to the more consumers. Thank you.